Is a flathead screwdriver. Ratcheting is definitely helpful, makes your job a lot easier. A 3/8 hex drive, and you'll also need your sockets, 10mm and an 8mm, and also I would suggest some Loctite, as the original bits come with some Loctite on all three of them. There's the diverter valve right there. Cut that one. This little guy. Make sure. Wiggle it free there. Good. Just give me a little more room, just a tiny bit. Then we're going to go here to the battery. Connecting the battery before disconnecting your diverter valve. Hose to your wastegate actuator. Just move that slightly out of the way. Okay. Unclip the electronic clip down here. Try not to burn yourself if you recently ran your car like me. Take your 3/8 hex bit and go ahead and unscrew your diverter valve, as long as you have enough space. After you get it off, go ahead and check the condition of your diverter valve. Make sure you don't have any cracked plastic around here, or that you don't see any breaks in the yellow diaphragm underneath, as that can of course cause some issues and give you a half power engine code. And what we're going to be installing on top of this today is a Torque Solutions adapter, which will go on like such with the O-ring facing the motor. It only bolts up the one way, so make sure that all your bolts line up like so, and then of course the electronic part's going to point down, so that's going to be how it's going to attach to your motor. Top one hand started right here. I would suggest doing this one and this side here to get them set in place before you go for the one that's pretty much inaccessible and a pain in the ass. Done, I would only suggest going a little overhand tight. Don't try to overdo it or you'll strip the screws. There's not very much space there. There's only a few millimeters of space where it goes into the turbo, and then after that it's really pretty simple. You plug your diverter valve back into its little electronic plug down here. You plug in your wastegate actuator, the hose you moved in the beginning, and you just slowly reconnect. Watch my video today installing the Torque Solutions blow-off valve adapter. Go ahead and subscribe for some more videos. We're going to be doing HID headlights next, and I'll be doing a weekly update here in about a week on how the blow-off valve affected my gas mileage, how many people want to race me now with the sound, and everything else. Thank you.